So I kind of want to start by explaining social media. Social media is like a steak knife. You can use it to cut a steak, or you can stab somebody in the eye. It's all how you use it. Everybody's like, "Oh, social media is bad. Social media is bad." It's how you use it. I'm guessing you're spending every day and night arguing with people about stuff you're never going to change their mind on. People literally love to argue on social media. Get rid of that. We're going to teach you in a series of videos how to use social media in the workplace. We're going to teach you how to, if you have a business, I don't care what it is, how to promote your business. If you do, let's say, you do Etsy and you do arts and crafts, I'm going to show you how to promote what you do, your hobby, your business. You're going to use social media for good. That's all. All right. So we're going to release different videos talking about marketing, talking about the different platforms. There's many different platforms. There's some platforms you guys don't even know that you can post on and benefit from. And you guys are struggling to spam and get seen, and it's awful when there's a lot of regulations, like in certain platforms, you can't just talk about your business. You just talk about whatever the post is. But I'll show you how to use every platform for your business, your hobby, what you love to do. Um, Pretty much everything. You're going to use it for good. So that's the goal. A lot of people said, "What do you mean social media in the workplace?" Not just the workplace, but so many companies are doing horrible social media, like burger places, and they're not benefiting from the power they have. And the best part about social media, you think, oh, social media is trash and garbage. And guess what? It's free. And if you're starting out, whether you're a content creator, whether you opened a restaurant, whether you're doing needlepoint or teaching people how to play the piano, whatever it is, all right? So be looking for more videos on how to train you on using social media correctly, all right? And then the comment section, yes, it is, but it's mainly so you can ask questions and I can address your questions. So I can teach you. I've been in social media since it started. Got on Facebook the day it started, got on Twitter the day it started, got on locals.com the day it started, got on Pinterest in the early years, not right when it started, because it was kind of for other things, but it's evolved. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, this series of videos, this video right here will be on all my channels, but the series will only be available on Tech Time. So, Tech Time with Jack, go ahead and look for the channel. I got a link down below so you can subscribe. The videos after this one, this will be on all of them, but the video after this one, all those videos, the whole series, will only be on Tech Time, okay? Just trying to keep things straight. Bear with me. I hope you enjoyed this series. I hope it's informative. I've learned a lot. I've failed a lot. I've succeeded a lot. So keep watching and we'll have some fun.